Second chance love. My name is Maya. I turned 35 last month. Every birthday, I look at old photos and feel a quiet ache in my chest. There's one photo I never delete. Me and Ryan at 18, sitting on the grass in our small town park, laughing like the world belonged to us. We were best friends since childhood. We shared ice cream on hot days, secrets on rainy nights, and dreams about the future. Ryan had kind brown eyes, a gentle smile, and a way of listening that made me feel safe. One summer evening, under a sky full of stars, Ryan held my hand and said, "Maya, I think I love you, more than friends." My heart raced. I wanted to say it back. I loved him too, but fear stopped me. What if it ruined our friendship? What if we broke up and lost everything? I pulled my hand away gently. "We're too young, Ryan. Let's not risk it. Let's stay friends forever." His face fell for a second, but he nodded. "Okay, I understand. I'll always be here for you." A few months later, he left for university in the big city. We promised to call, text, visit. At first, we did, but university life was busy. Classes, new friends, exams. My messages got shorter, his replies slower, then silence. I told myself it was normal. Life moves on. I finished college, got a job, met someone new. We married quickly. It felt safe, but safe isn't the same as happy. Arguments grew, trust broke. After 3 painful years, we divorced. I moved back to our quiet town, bought a small old building, and turned it into a cozy café. I served coffee, baked cakes, talked to customers. It kept me busy. But at night, alone in my apartment above the cafe, I thought about Ryan. Where was he? Did he ever think of me? One rainy autumn morning, the bell above the door rang. I looked up from the counter. A man in a wet coat stepped in, shaking rain from his hair. He smiled, that same gentle smile. My cup almost fell. "Ryan?" I whispered. He stared back. "Maya, is that really you?" We stood frozen for a moment. Then he laughed softly. "You still make the best coffee in town, I bet." I smiled through tears. "Sit down. I'll make you one, on the house." We talked for hours. The rain tapped on the windows like old memories. He told me he became a high school teacher. He loved his students, but never married. He tried dating, he said quietly, but no one felt right. I kept comparing them to you. My throat tightened. "I'm sorry, Ryan. Back then, I was scared. I pushed you away. I regret it every day." He reached across the table and took my hand. His touch was warm, familiar. We were kids. We didn't know better. But I'm here now. If you want to talk more or try again, I'm ready. The next weeks felt like a dream. Ryan came every morning for coffee. We shared stories, his funny classroom moments, my cafe adventures. We walked in the park like before, sat on the same bench, watched the leaves fall. He helped me paint the cafe walls, fix the old chairs. We laughed a lot, but sometimes silence came, heavy with the past. One evening, after closing the cafe, we sat outside under the stars. Ryan looked serious. "Maya, I still love you. I never stopped, but I need to know, do you feel the same, or is this just nostalgia?" Tears came. "I love you too, Ryan. I always did. I was just afraid. I'm not afraid anymore." But challenges came. My ex-husband's family still lived nearby. They whispered things. She hurt him before. She'll do it again. Ryan's job was 2 hours away in the city. He had to choose, stay there or move back. We argued one night. "Why didn't you fight for us back then?" he asked, voice shaking. "I was young and stupid. I thought losing you as a friend was better than losing you completely." We both cried. Then we hugged tight. "Let's forgive the past," he whispered. "Let's build a future." Ryan decided to move back. He found a teaching job at the local school. We started planning. 6 months later, under those same stars, he got down on one knee. "Maya, will you marry me? For real this time. No fear, no regrets." I said yes through happy tears. Our wedding was small and beautiful, in the park we loved, with close friends and family. The café served the cake. Now every morning we open together. He makes the coffee, I bake the muffins. Customers smile at us, holding hands behind the counter. At night, we sit on the porch, talk about the day, and thank the stars for second chances. Second chance love is rare and precious. It comes with scars, but those scars make it stronger. It teaches us to forgive, to be brave, and to hold on tighter. Ryan and I lost years, but we found something better, a love that grew wiser, deeper, and forever. If this heartwarming story touched your heart, like the video, comment "Second chances are real, heart," or share your own reunion story. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more romantic and emotional English stories. Turn on the bell so you never miss one. Thank you for watching. Never give up on love.